girl, your favorite Barbie collector. So yeah, I'm back again with another video. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a Barbie haul from Walmart, and I got a one item from eBay. Item, Malibu Barbie camera. I've been wanting this for so long. I just been trying to wait for it to go on sale. And I kind of got it on sale. It's originally like $180, but I got it for $160. So yeah, this is how it looks. Open her up. So it's a Polaroid 600. I'm assuming that's the film that I need. Stickers here. The company that made it. Here. Polaroid. This is exciting. So this is it. Out your own photos immediately. It's awesome. It's a little button, I guess that's where you take the picture, and then this is here you move to insert the film. The Barbie skateboard. Now this is my second skateboard that I've collected, and I'm very excited about it. Looks like this on the bike. Looks like this. Checkerboard here. The Barbie heads. It's all black. The palm trees. Very, very excited to add it to my Barbie skate collection. Now, to match the skateboard, we have the matching Barbie Malibu sweater. And I want to believe this sweater was like $12.98. They look like this. And you can see how they have it rugged here at the bottom for the skateboard. Super cute. And these were only $25. Next, I got these cute sandals from Walmart. The Barbie head on the side and the word Barbie. Super cute. And these were only $12.98. I was able to get a new blanket, guys. This blanket here. And it looks like this is a Barbie head. Like, I would love to have this for like wall decor purposes. It's like when I shoot videos. I love it. Next, I got this 2-piece pajama set. Like this. I love the fact that it's a button up. Then we have the shorts here. The Barbie heads are so freaking cute. Barbie beauty fridge. That's how she looks. We should open her up. Let's unbox this baby. But as you can see, this is a mirror here. This is a mirror. Here's the cord. And it looks like this in the inside. All your little cute accessories in here. The little Barbie head right there. I think that's super cute. Where you do all the plugging up at. Oh yeah, this is cute. I guess this is a little handle where you can tote it. What I ordered from eBay is actually a bag that was released from the AMC theaters when the movie came out. Unfortunately, I was not able to get my hands on one. They sold out instantly, which really made my blood crawl because I collect Barbie bags. That's one of my main things that I collect. And I needed this bag so bad. But I got it. And the thing that this bag was $64.99. I guess the seller just wanted to get rid of it. And I got it $5 cheaper. I got it for 60 bucks. Meanwhile, everybody else is selling them for 75, 80. Here we go. Here we have the roller skate crossbody bag from Loungefly. Looks like this. This is so perfect. Like, this is perfect, guys. I'm obsessed with this bag. I'm obsessed with this bag. Thank y'all for watching my video, and y'all have a good day.